Hey techies, ever wondered how we keep applications running so smoothly? The answer is monitoring. Let's break it down in 60 seconds. So, what is monitoring in DevOps? Monitoring in DevOps helps track performance, uptime, and errors in real time, ensuring everything runs smoothly. So, why it is so important? It is important because it detects issues before users do, it improves performance and reliability, and it also helps in troubleshooting, scaling, and further developments. So, there are types of monitoring. The types of monitoring are number one, application performance monitoring, infrastructure monitoring, log monitoring, cost monitoring. So, what are the popular tools? Popular tools are Prometheus for real-time monitoring and alerts, Grafana for beautiful dashboards and analytics, and also Datadog for full stack and cloud monitoring. So, on final note, DevOps consists of good monitoring which leads to happy users and fewer surprises. Thank you. Have a nice day.